The reset button on a furnace is a safety mechanism designed to restart the heating system after it detects a fault and shuts down. Furnaces are commonly located in basements, where they can safely heat the home from below. Some furnaces are installed in attics, suspended from the ceiling, with ductwork running through the space. Utility closets provide another common location for furnaces, keeping them enclosed and out of the way. Different types of furnaces include gas models, which burn natural gas for heating. Electric furnaces use electrical resistance to generate heat, with control boards managing the system. The reset button is typically found on the furnace control panel or near the blower motor housing. On some models, it's located near the burner assembly. The reset button is usually red or yellow and may be labeled reset or push to reset. Some modern furnaces have digital displays showing error codes instead of a physical reset button. For safety, always turn off the furnace power at the breaker box before inspecting or resetting. After turning off the power at the breaker, locate the reset button on the furnace control board and press and hold it for a few seconds to reset the system. Turn the power back on at the breaker by flipping the tripped breaker back to the on position. The furnace should now start up normally, with flames visible in the burner chamber. If the furnace doesn't restart, check the air filter first. A dirty filter restricts airflow and can cause the furnace to shut down. Replace or clean the filter if it's dirty. A clean filter allows proper airflow. For gas furnaces, ensure the gas supply valve is open. The red handle should be parallel to the pipe. Check that the thermostat is set correctly for heat and the temperature is above the current room temperature. Inspect the flame sensor located behind the burners. A faulty flame sensor is a common cause of lockouts. If the furnace repeatedly fails to start or the reset button needs frequent pressing, contact a professional HVAC technician. Do not attempt complex repairs yourself.